The question for letter writing was what? Write a reminder. Reminder means to remind the person who has got forgotten. Write reminder to whom your firm supplied. Firm means the company which is supplying goods. Suppose your company has supplied you a mobile phone. Okay, but you have not done the payment for that, and you purchase that thing on credit. Means you borrowed money from the bank or any other source and you have done the payment. So what now company is asking? Who has not paid the payment? A letter which was sent previously. So a notice was sent to you previously. Okay now, the company has sent you a notice previously for the payment which was not done. Demanding payments remains unanswered. Okay now, so a letter which was sent previously, company has sent it you, but the person has not responded. उसने respond नहीं किया है. And the letter was regarding what? Letter किससे related था? Demanding payment remains unanswered. तो अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to write one more letter to remind him for the payment which is not done by the person. Okay now? So very first we begin from MS Amar Trading Company. This is the name of a company. Then the address where it is located, then the name of the city. You may write here pin code also, but to mention the pin code is not necessary if the delivery or the payment has to be done within the city. But if it is going somewhat out of the city, out of the station, then it is necessary to mention the pin code. तब pin code mention करना जरूरी होता है. After that, yeah, it is the name of a company. दे विल फॉरवर्ड ना भाई, इनको थोड़ी ना पता है कि किस पर्सन ने लिया है, तो उसको वो फॉरवर्ड करेंगे जिन्होंने डिलीवरी दी है उस सामान की. करेक्ट ना भाई? कंपनी को तो डायरेक्ट नहीं पता कि आपको सामान उसने सेल किया है. इट कैन बी टोल्ड बाय द डिलीवरिंग एजेंट्स लाइक फ्लिपकार्ट, लाइक स्नैपडील. ये क्या करते हैं? दे डोंट हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन, दे हैव ओनली द एड्रेस. करेक्ट ना? तो वो उस एड्रेस पे नोटिस भेजेंगे, फिर वो नोटिस फॉरवर्ड होगा, किसने उसका क्रेडिट कार्ड का यूज किया है. बाय दैट क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर ही विल गेट द मैसेज, क्योंकि क्रेडिट कार्ड यूज करने के लिए आपका मोबाइल नंबर उसमें लिंक्ड होगा. करेक्ट ना? अभी सपोज करो आपने रिलायंस का फोन लिया, तो क्या रिलायंस कंपनी आएगी खुद और आपसे बोलेगी कि आप मेरा पेमेंट करिए? विल रिलायंस कंपनी कम? नो, इट विल बी सेंड टू अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर ऑफ दैट सिटी. सपोज करो ये मुंबई का ऑर्डर हो, लेकिन इसका जो ऑफिस है वो कहाँ है? दिल्ली में. तो लेटर विल कम फ्रॉम मुंबई टू दिल्ली एंड देन इट विल बी सेंड टू द पर्सन. ऐसा ही तो होगा ना? कैन द प्राइम मिनिस्टर कम्युनिकेट टू यू डायरेक्टली? So like that only. There are different mediums and processes which it goes through. Suppose करो कि आपको किसी ने कोई एक पार्सल सेंड किया, स्पीड पोस्ट. You know what is the speed post? When a courier comes to your home. So suppose I am sending you a courier. I will come and give it to you, or that the courier company will come and give. So like that only the same process is here. Understood na? To connect with the user, I have to go through the medium. And medium is what? The company, the source. Understood? Okay. Then after that you have to mention the date. The format for writing date is this same. Keep in mind 8th of October 2020. If you write in this format, then it is wrong. Okay now, this format for writing date is wrong, and for this your 1 marks can be deducted also in the board examination too for the class 10th. Okay now, after that subject. What is the subject? Outstanding payment, the payment which has not been done. Then keep the very first line in your mind. This you will use commonly regarding this type of letters. We are sorry to note that a customer of your standing has not taken any notice of your standing. समझ रहे हो ना? एक कोई कस्टमर है जिसने अमर ट्रेडिंग कंपनी के थ्रू कुछ परचेज किया है और उसने अभी क्या नहीं किया? He has not done the payment. This line is stating same thing. We are sorry to note that a customer of your standing means the company, has not taken any notice of our previous letter of 2nd September 2020. And that letter was regarding what? For the settlement of our account, the remaining payment. We request you to remit us the sum of rupees 2000. अगर वो person नहीं देता है तो क्या कर रहा होगा? If that the person who has purchased is not giving the payment, then the company has to do that thing. They have to give the sum of rupees 2000 standing against you at your earliest. और जितना जल्दी हो सके you have to do it as soon as possible. And at the last, who is sending? Yours faithfully for Jaggimal Productive Services, BP Verma Proprietor. Means you can write in any name. If the name is not given in the question, you can mention the address and the name yourself. No problem in that. But if the name is given in the question, you will use the same. Do not change. And then the next question, that is for the homework which you have to do. You have to write a letter to a sports dealer placing an order for some games material, and in that you have to list the description of items you asked for. Means the number of quantities, the item the item name like football, bat, cricket kit, badminton, skipping ropes. So these all things you have to mention and the quantity also. Quantity means the number of items you asked for. Is there any problem in writing this letter? Or is there any problem in understanding this? Then you can ask. न- नहीं 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 बेटा, ये किसका है आपको बताए, देखो आई टेल यू, आई एक्सप्लेन यू दिस प्रोसेस. सपोज Jaggimal Services, they sold a mobile phone. They sold a mobile phone to a customer. ठीक है, इन्होंने क्या किया? मोबाइल फोन एक कस्टमर को सेल कर दिया. अब ये मोबाइल इनके पास कैसे पहुंचेगा? हाउ द मोबाइल विल रीच? थ्रू अ ट्रेडिंग कंपनी. उसको हम मीडियम बोल सकते हैं, ट्रेडिंग कंपनी. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट ही डिड, जग्गीमल सर्विसेज ने पहले लेटर लिखा था कस्टमर को फर्स्ट, बट इन्होंने आंसर नहीं किया. यही तो लिखा हुआ है देखो, a letter which was sent previously demanding payment remains unanswered. तो अब इन्होंने क्या किया? सेकेंड स्टेप, ही रोट द लेटर टू द ट्रेडिंग कंपनी, जिन्होंने ये मोबाइल कस्टमर तक पहुंचाया है. क्लियर ना? अब क्लियर हो गया डाउट? ओके. एनीबॉडी अदर? No. So then we have to go some practice for the passive voice also. Let's see you are having that rules in your mind or not. And in our next class, probably I will send you the PDF or the snapshots of synonyms and antonyms that are going to be in your that next examination. That is the first terminal examination. Okay. And regarding any topics, if you have doubt, you can send me the text message, and I will take the that same topic in the class also then. Okay. Then do you remember the rules regarding that active and passive voice? Everyone. So let's have a quick review for that and see that how much you remember and how much you forgot. Will you give a gift? First of all, you tell me which tense is this? कौन सा tense है ये? Future indefinite. Okay. So what will be the passive for this? Will a gift be given to you? Huh? Be given to you. And one more boy said that will a gift be given? And what was that? Will a gift be given by you? Okay. So this is a interrogative sentence and we are going for the passive formation. So it was very easy because the object was what? A gift. इसमें object क्या है? Object है a gift. Correct ना? So we write here a gift. Here helping verb is what? Will. So same as it is will come. But अगर यहाँ पे आपका object जो subject बन के आ रहा है, if it is I or we, then we will use here shall. Okay ना? It is here a gift. That's why we are using will. Will a gift. Whenever will, shall, can, may, should, would, could comes, we use be. Will a gift be given by you? Question mark. Now there is a question. Is this sentence right or wrong? Tell me. Is it right or wrong? This will be wrong because I tell why. Because it is asking a question only. Will a gift be given to you? Correct na? But it is here by. By means dwara. Will a gift be given by you? Okay na? So this one is correct. We take one more example regarding same sentence. And what is that? Will you give me a gift? Now, what will be the passive for this? Will you give me a gift? Anybody tell? Will a gift be given to me by you? Because you can see here there are two objects. You can make from either of them. First object is me and second object is a gift. You can make the passive from either of the object. Okay na? So, will a gift be given to me by you? Question mark. Okay. Next. Don't play with fire. Don't play with fire. What will be? You are forbade, or you are advised, or you are ordered. Yeah, correct. You are advised not to play with fire. No, no question mark, full stop. Next we take I want to answer the questions. Now, what will be the passive for this? I want to answer the questions. Now you tell, what happened? Easy. Tell me what will the passive for this? I want to answer the questions. Anyone? You try, maybe it is correct, शायद सही हो जाए. But you at least try now. We should keep trying. If we try, we will get the success. If we don't try only and we say no, I cannot do, so that's also not good now. If we try, probably we can get the something good, और इफ वी डोंट गेट देन वी विल कम टू नो अबाउट अवर मिस्टेक ना. अगर हम ट्राई करेंगे तो या तो हमें पता चल जाएगा या फिर हमें ये पता चलेगा कि वो रॉन्ग है. Either we will come to know it is good or wrong. But if we don't try, we cannot know. So you try it. Tell me. Hmm. Okay, you are saying can, but where is can here? Can is I cannot see can here. Can तो यहाँ कहीं नहीं है. The questions are no wrong. The questions are wanted to answer by me. No wrong. Hey girl, that also wrong. The questions are answered. No, no, wrong, wrong. Tell me what will be the correct passive for this sentence. The questions wanted. The questions wanted to answer by them, huh? No, wrong. See, you use your mind. What happened? I want to answer the questions. It's a very simple sentence, na? Very small one also. You can you understood the meaning also. I want to answer the questions. मैं questions के answer देना चाहता हूँ. Meaning also clear. So you can change into passive easily. What happened, girl? Tell. I want to answer the questions. Nobody. Shall I tell? Shall I tell? सर्च कर लिया नहीं मिला. ओके 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 सर्च इट प्रोबेबली शायद मिल जाए. सर्च करके बता दो तो शायद अच्छी बात है. इफ यू सर्च देन प्रोबेबली यू कैन टेल. लेट्स सी. Wrong. You search on the internet then you tell. Let's see, can you tell me the answer or not? Search. I'm giving you 2 minutes. हाँ. क्या आया है? Wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. Tell me. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Search anywhere. Use any source, mobile or anything, and tell me. Let's see. You can tell the answer or not. What she sent? The questions are wanted to be answered. Yeah, Manav. Now it is correct. Now it is correct. You did it yourself. Yeah. Because on the internet like this, you cannot find the correct answers for the sentences or the blanks which I provide. I want to answer the questions. Here the object is the questions. Object क्या है? The questions. Okay. Answer is verb. Answer क्या है? Verb है. Subject we have. Okay ना? Now all the things are here. We will work on it. Want to ये problem create कर रहा था ना? Want to be will be used with it. Want to के साथ में क्या use करेंगे? Be. So now you see what will the passive. This boy told correct. Your sentence is correct. The questions are wanted to be answered by me. Now I have a question in that too. Because the questions are wanted to or want to be. What will come here? There is a doubt here now. One more doubt came. क्या होना चाहिए? Wanted to होना चाहिए या want होना चाहिए? Wanted only, correct? Yeah. The questions are wanted to be answered by me, or if you write the questions are want to be, then your sentence will be wrong. Is it clear? अभी clear हुआ? Yeah, okay. Shall I give you one more sentence? Let's see. Shall I ask one more sentence? Yeah. Hmm. Which story are you writing? Question mark. Which story are you writing? Yeah. Which story is being written by you? One more I have to ask. Uh, your behavior surprised me. Your behavior surprised me. What will be the passive for this? I am surprised by your behavior. To your behavior. Oh, at your behavior. Oh. Yeah, correct. I am surprised dash your behavior. So what will come here? By will come, to will come, or at will come. क्या आएगा? By आएगा. Okay. Is there any student who have any other answer going with to? At. Okay. With. Yeah, very good. With. I am surprised with your behavior. तुम्हारे behavior के साथ. ठीक है, okay. Anybody other? No. किसी का और कोई guess या answer हो? Your behavior surprised me. So, we shall go with which option we should take because there are four options. By, to, at, with. क्या होना चाहिए correct option? With. With होना चाहिए सही ना? With should be the correct. Everybody is going with. हाँ क्या आएगा बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. Tell me faster. At. Yeah, the girl is saying at. Yes, girl, this is the correct one. With. Oh, this may be also correct. With बोला इसने. Yeah, so the correct one is with. Sagar is also saying that with is correct. Hmm. Anybody other? The correct one is with Yashika Gupta. Yeah, very good. With. The correct one is, shall I tell now? Yeah, so that is at. I am surprised at your behavior. What will come? At, not with. With will not come. To will not come. By will not come. Okay. I am surprised at your behavior. Okay, fine. So this was somewhat practicing of that our active and passive voice. So we can come to know that the rules and we can revise them. And there may be any doubts. So we may clear them also. So if anybody other wants to ask any other thing or any question, then you may ask. Shall I give you some sentences for doing? For doing as a homework? Yeah, okay. Sure. Yeah. Hmm. Do you know me? Second, are you visiting me? Our first sentence is, do you know me? Second, are you visiting me? Third one, who is making a noise? Hmm. Naman cleans the room himself. Fifth, he looked into the well. He looked into the well. He felt sorry. Seventh, I looked at the tigress. Tigress. I looked at tigress. Eighth, follow the principles. Nothing is forever in the world. He goes to the temple with her. Has everybody written? Yeah, so there are some sentences, some are easy, some are very easy, and some are having some word twist also in them. They cannot be easily changed, correct now? Can anybody tell me the 10 sentences right now? Is there any student here connected who can tell me the 10 sentences right now? Is there anyone who can tell me the passive conversions of these all 10 sentences now? No one. Okay then, no problem. You can do it as a homework, and further if any problem comes in the any sentence, then I will give you the key for this and I will tell you the conversions also. Okay, then this is your homework, the sentences and the letter writing. This you have to complete, and if you have any problems you can ask me for that.